morning, everybody, and happy Tu Bishvat. Even though it doesn't really feel like Tu Bishvat to me because it's freezing cold and it's gonna snow tonight. We are celebrating Tu Bishvat because it's coming up next week. So I wanted to show you guys what we get up to celebrate this holiday. This is the birthday of the trees in the Jewish calendar, and it's really a celebration of all things like environmental related, how much we love the planet and how important it is to take care of our planet and all things like that. So we are going forest bathing this morning. If you haven't heard that term before, it really just means you're hanging out in nature. But yes, I find that a forest bath makes me feel really good afterwards. So we're off. I've got the two dogs, the husband, the baby. We're ready to go. And we are gonna say happy birthday to any trees we see along the way. Also, I want to let you guys know that this video is a quadruple collab, if you've ever heard of such a thing, with Marti, Erica, and Melissa. I'm going to link all their channels and all their Tu Bishvat videos below, so you guys will have a ton of Tu Bishvat content to see. And yeah, I hope you guys like it. I also want to give a huge, special, amazing shout out and thank you to Melita and Isaac, who are one of our absolute favorite Jewish music singers, for letting me use their beautiful music in this video. They have a song all about planting, which is perfect for Tu Bishvat. So stay tuned because you will hear that coming up in this video, and it's one of my favorites. All right, let's go. So I wanted to start off by sharing a really adorable Tu Bishvat craft that we actually started our day with before we went for our big nature hike. So this is something really easy to do, and it highlights all of the fruit and nuts that are really special and part of Tu Bishvat. This would also be a really beautiful centerpiece if you were making a Tu Bishvat Seder. So all I did was spread Nutella on a plate in the shape of a tree, and then I just used some dried fruits that are traditional for Tu Bishvat, like dates and figs and apricots and almonds, and then I just decorated the plate with them, and it made this really cute tree. So I was really happy with that, and we snacked on that before we got started on our hike. Then the other thing I did before our hike is I read my son Max this book, Tu Bishvat is Coming. Here, let me show you this book. The animals hide, it's still chilly outside. Tu Bishvat is coming. What are they riding?
A bicycle.
And is that a doggy in the bicycle? Bundle up, we'll ride bikes. Let's explore. This is one of our favorite books for the holiday, and we got it for free from PJ Library. I'll put a link down below about how to get Jewish books from PJ Library, but this one is just super cute and he loves it. Earth, dance and cheers. Which trees? Happy New Year. Tu Bishvat is here. So once we finished up our book and had our Tu Bishvat snack, we were ready to go nature bathing on our hike. So we're out on our wintry walk. Max, you enjoying the winter walk? A little bit cold? Can you say happy birthday to the trees?
Happy birthday, trees.
Happy birthday, trees. It's all the trees' birthday. Is that so exciting? Should we sing happy birthday to them?
No.
No? Okay.
Happy birthday, trees.
Happy birthday, trees.
Row by row, gonna make this garden grow. All you need is a rake and a hoe and a piece of fertile ground. Inch by inch, row by row, please bless these seeds I sow, and warm them from below till the rains come tumbling down. Pulling weeds, picking stones, we are made of dreams and bones. Need a place to call my own, for the time is near at hand. Grain for grain, sun and rain, find my way.
So that's it. That's the Tu Bishvat video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more Jewish mom content. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Inch by inch.